Alright guys, I'm just going to show you real quick how to change the air filter on a 6.7 2017, what is it, 20 now. It's fairly simple. There's a little clip here, 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 and then there's one back here. All you do is just move them over like that. Real simple. Okay. And then this lifts up like this. Okay. Take this old one out. I got about, I don't know, 20,000 on that one, 19,000 on it. And then here's the new one, part number FA-1927. It's the Ford Motorcraft one. I just use the factory one. I'm not all about cold airs and stuff. Maybe one day if I delete this thing, but I'll probably just put a real small tune on it anyway. And then here's the new one. Okay, I'm trying to do this one-handed, so I might have to pause this. Literally just, I'm gonna put the phone down real quick. I'll start a new video. All right guys, there's the old one, 18,000 miles. Here's the new one. Here's, like I said, the part number FA-1927. What I did is I just got two little paper towels. They're pretty dirty, and I just lifted up the lid of this filter right here. Just lifted up that and wiped it out. But all you do is the steps in reverse. So you're just gonna take this, and I'm gonna try to do it one-handed. There's a side with this little foam piece on it. That's going to go in the back towards that hole. So you just, real simple. And there's another thing, there's two little holes right there. I mean, you can't, they just line up on them two holes down there. So one-handed, I'm just going to stick this up, stick it in there. Sorry, I know I'm all over the place with the camera, but it sits in there like that, and I should be able to put my phone down somewhere and snap it back together, because it's going to take two hands. I'll try my best. So basically just the same steps in reverse. Might be a little tricky to line up, but once you get her lined up, she'll fit right in there. Here we go. And then clips, and then this one's gonna come up and clip, and don't tell me I shut. No, I can't get my finger in there. And this one's going to come up and just push it forward, and it clips too. And that's it. Just changed her out. Good for another 15, 16, 17, however you like to run them. But filters are cheap, engines ain't. So I change them when I can. Anyway, I'll put a link to this filter in my description. I got it off Amazon Prime. It's here in like 2 days. So if that's something you want to get, you can click that link. It'll take you right to it. But that's where I use to get it. So I appreciate you. Y'all have a good day. God bless.